Watch what this reckless SUV driver does. They cause an accident and then they road rage to the extreme. So watch what they do. They cut off the dashcam car, and you can see their SUV is damaged really bad. The guy immediately lies, and then his wife goes absolutely psycho.
Don't do that shit! Can I open my window up, please? Don't worry about it. Go to the cops. Go to the cops.
The guy in the car said that the dashcam driver was the one that cut him off, but that is obviously very untrue, and the dashcam footage proves it. Watch this woman, she goes absolutely psycho when her husband caused the crash. And it's videos like this that really prove why a dashcam is necessary. You just can't drive without one anymore. People will lie, people will try to screw you over, and in cases like this, it can protect you for your own safety. If you thought things were bad, things get even worse now as the dashcam driver tries to pull over. The guy gets out of his car and screams some more, and the dashcam driver just wants to pull over so they can exchange information. And then that's when he does this.
No! We're getting out of the road! We're getting out of the road! We're not!
Thankfully, those road raging people were found at fault. The dashcam really saved the day in this case.